Fishwich with tangy tartar sauce on toast points. So I always make my tartar sauce with whole-fat Greek yogurt or sour cream, either or. And that's what I have in the bowl here. For 4 sandwiches, about a cup. You want a good amount of tartar sauce on each sandwich. Then I add lots of fresh dill, the juice of 1 lemon. Keep the lemon right side up once you have it so that the seeds stay with the lemon. Then we're going to add some chopped capers, handful of chopped capers. Get that going. And then you can use your choice of chopped cornichon, or you can do what I usually do and just throw in some relish. There we go. Nice fat splash of relish. Dijon mustard. Bloop. Big squirt of that. Tiny squirt of light agave or light honey, like a honey you can almost see through. Sweeten it up a little bit. Delightful. And a little dash of hot sauce. I also put extra hot sauce on the table if you want it on your fish. And a little salt and pepper. Okay. I have a 14-inch, like a large, shallow, nonstick skillet with a little bit of olive oil and a dab of butter. I've got some beautiful, sustainable sea bass here today. But you can use any white, sustainable fish you like. So we're going to take this and season it up first with a little bit of salt and pepper. So I just cover the bottom of a shallow dish with a little superfine flour. And we're going to season it generously with Old Bay. And I don't measure this stuff. I just don't believe in it. Just look at it. Use your eyes. You're cooking. This isn't baking. It's not rocket science. It's just dinner. You want a really spicy one? Add more. You want less spicy? Add less. I would guess that's about 2 tablespoons per cup of wondra, okay? A light sprinkle of the onion and garlic across the top, minus the little piece of the metal thing that was on top of the jar that I just picked out. And then we give that a little shake, or quite frankly, what we all do at home is this: stick your fingers in it and just go around. Whatever. So now we've got our olive oil and butter that covers the bottom of the pan. We put all the snibbly bits of fish in there. I took each 6-ounce fillet and just cut it across on a bias. And you just really get in there and make sure all these guys are evenly coated with the flour on both sides. Oh, he's on medium-high, but he's not making the sound he should. All right, just imagine that sound. He's on medium-high. I don't know, man, the stove is just being whatever. Sooner or later it'll turn brown. It'll be fine. Now, here's how we roll. We take the buttered toast points. Oh my God, they're perfectly toasted. Makes me want to cry. They're so cute. The perfectly toasted toast points, lightly buttered. And then we're going to build a little iceberg salad up on top. And then we're going to put, as our dressing, the tartar sauce. And then we're going to take some store-bought crispy shallots and put that over that. I know, like little croutons on the lettuce. Then we're going to take all of that crispy fish and spread a piece over each slice of toast. I know. But it gets a little bit better. Gonna hit it with a little bit of lemon.